Are you looking for the best surf fishing rods? In this video we will look at some of the best surf fishing rods on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GTOFYU 2.14.5M Carbon Fishing Rod. 2.14.5M Carbon Fishing Rod. Telescopic 50 kg Super Hard Fishing Rod. Super Hard Long Distance Throwing Shot Rod. Telescopic Sea Boat. High Quality Fishing Gear. The brand of our product is GTOFYU, made of high quality carbon material. The category is telescopic fishing rod. The hardness of our product is super hard. The position is ocean boat fishing. Our product is made in CN. This fishing rod is suitable for all types of fish, such as bass, trout, muskie, pike, salmon, etc. Carbon fishing rod is made of high quality carbon fiber material, which is durable and has a long service life. The carbon fishing rod is lightweight and easy to carry, allowing you to take it with you anywhere. The article came with the broken tip and the container was also broken. Little curious about the ring guide. Don't know how it's supposed to be work. There is no need to make the reel attached surface and the guide match. Number 2. Telescopic Fishing Rod. Telescopic Fishing Rod 2. 7/3.03. 6/4.2/4.5 meters. Travel surf rod. Spinning power 60 to 150 grams. Throwing surf casting carbon bait casting rod. The brand of our product is GTOFYU. Use high quality carbon materials. The category is telescopic fishing rod. The action is fast. The hardness of our product is super hard. Our product is from CN origin. The position of our product is ocean rock fishing. The travel fishing rod is lightweight and portable, allowing you to carry it with you when you go out. Its lightweight makes it easy for you to carry around in your bag or backpack. The telescopic fishing rod is made of high quality carbon fiber, which is durable and has good corrosion resistance. It can be used in saltwater, freshwater and seawater. The fishing rod has a storage bag, which is convenient for you to carry and store. It can also be used as a travel fishing rod. The telescopic fishing rod is made of high quality carbon fiber material, which is durable and wear resistant. Number 3. BIUTIFU Surf Rod. The power throw rod is telescopic. It can be used as a fishing pole or a surfboard. You can also use it as a spinning reel. The telescopic fishing rod is made of high strength aluminium alloy material, which is durable and corrosion resistant. The power throw fishing rod is lightweight and compact, which makes it easy to carry around when you are on the go. Top guide ring adopts thickened magnetic ring, and the largest guide ring adopts folded guide ring, all in 7 colors. Pretty. We will give an extra tip plus 1 PC temptation, and we will be responsible for your lifelong after sales issues. Number 4. BUDEFO Maximus Lure Fishing Rod. The largest guide ring of this product adopts high strength Fuji K-type bracket guide ring. The guide ring has more effective heat dissipation, and the outlet is faster and smoother. The largest guide ring of this product adopts high-strength Fuji K-type bracket guide ring. The guide ring has more effective heat dissipation, and the outlet is faster and smoother. The black nylon wheel seat is matched with 3K decorative carbon cloth, and the appearance is beautiful. The top ring is designed with the F anti-tangle series and the anti-lateral winding design to prevent tangles and make casting smoother. Silver twine thread multi-layer epoxy resin winding. Smooth, firm and tough, no burst. Reserve the plug joints to prevent the plugging and unplugging from being not tight after a long time of use, and prolong the service life. It adopts 2-stage high hardness black EVA grip, which is non-slip and comfortable. The tail end uses a plated metal ring with a nylon tail pad, which is strong and wear resistant. The tail is equipped with exquisite logo drop plastic label. Number 5. Best Telescopic Portable Rotary Fishing Rod. Best Telescopic Portable Rotary Fishing 2.4M, 2.7M, 3.6M, 3.9M, 4.5M Fishing Rod. Travel Sea Boat Rock Fishing Rod. Carp Fishing Gear. If you are looking for our product, the brand of GTOFYU is your good choice. Our product is made from material carbon, The category of our product is telescopic fishing rod. The hardness is hard. The position of our product is lake. Our product is made in CN origin. Carbon fiber plus epoxy resin. Fishing rod with telescopic design, easy to carry and use. The handle is made of high quality aluminium alloy material, which is durable and has a long service life. The rotary fishing rod is made by high quality carbon steel, strong and durable. It is a unique rock fishing rod that will be a great gift for fishermen. Comes with the pad for comfortable holding. New high quality fishing rod. Please click. This fishing rod is made from carbon fiber, strong and durable.